That's where we came from, mga loves. Ayan. Ayan siya. That Tower, London. Diyan kami nanggaling sa loob. See?
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy it.
All right.
So this is the Tower of London. So first, we're going to, so this is our map. So we will be going to see the jewel, the crown, but we will not be able to
Yeah,
take,
we're not allowed
to
take a video.
take the video. So Tower 1280.
What is called?
How you doing? All right?
Yeah, we're good. You good? Yeah.
So I think this is the railroad coastal. So we're going up to Medieval Palace in South Settlements. Bloody Tower. Tingnan mo yung ano nila, oh. This is where they put the letter, but it's very old door.
Reigned for 56 years, longer than any other medieval king of England. He loved art and architecture. He was very religious. He rebuilt Westminster Abbey into the magnificent church that stands today. Henry married Eleanor of Provence, and they enjoyed a long and happy life together. When Henry died, their firstborn son, Edward, inherited the throne. Edward was a very different type of king. He was tall and muscular,
Very old.
an advantage in war as his long arms meant greater reach with his sword. Unlike his father, he was strong and decisive, a warrior king. Edward used brutal action to win and to keep power. He is often remembered as the Hammer of the Scots. In 1294, he stayed in these rooms while preparing for war. Edward also did much to reform the kingdom, setting up a long-lasting legal system and establishing a parliament that is still recognizable today. Edward married Eleanor of Castile when they were both teenagers. It was a political partnership and a successful marriage. When Eleanor died, aged 49, he was heartbroken. It was 9 years before Edward married again to Margaret of France. Later
Imagine you guys how many years have been this one.
defended by a vast new moat to make it even stronger.
Ilang taon na to?
He also added the imposing new Watergate below where you are standing now.
So ito yung kanilang parang mga rooms or
Like kings before him, he also took advantage of the tower's position on the River Thames, taxing boats that carried goods into the city.
they really preserve it.
Imagine coming on the river boat and being confronted by this impressive new palace built off of the city.
So this is the King Edward's chamber, recreating our bedroom. Spanish carpet being moved in the medieval palace. Very old, very, very old. Nightlight? Oh, bedroom of the king. Tingnan nyo, guys, gaano ka old. It's a very old furniture there. And the bed as well. See, we cannot go into that. May rock sila. Close sila. Pa. Diyan. So ito siya. A bed for a king. I had this luxurious royal rooms built in the 1270s. 1280s.
Gold mo ginawa.
So see, overlooking siya sa river. Yung kanyang bed.
GOLD.
Huh?
GOLD na cross.
And this is the prayer room. Kasi hindi kayo makapasok siya. See, this is his room. The room of the king. Bedroom. Yeah. Look at this curtain. It's really old. With a symbol. That we have in our flag, I think. The UK. Ito, meron siyang daanan pababa. Meron siyang... Ano ba ito? Saan tayo pupunta nito? Ano ba yan? Kakatakot. Ayan, oh, may... Doon may, pero... May ano siya papunta sa baba. Basement. May lift siguro to dito. Oh my. So it's close here. It's been locked. So dito lang kami. And guys, I'm showing you the Tower of London. So this is the throne of King Henry III. Wow. Palace. King Henry's Palace. The Wakefield Tower. Imagine you guys, 1200. A very solid door. Going up, up, up. Oh, so when there's a war, yan na yung Tower Bridge. May raven sila. Shall we go there? Doon. Yeah. Kasi punta tayo doon sa baba.
Okay. Sulod pa po ni?
Yeah. This is inside Tower Bridge. Tower London. Lanthorn Tower. So from there, we're going in here in the other tower. It's already been broken, but they assembled it back, I think. And this one is already broken, but they have to Andalusian bow, 1250 to 1450. Malaga in Spain. Eating and drinking. Coins from the reign of Edward I. Stylus, 4th century. Oh, the seal, the 13th century seal. Hey? Yeah. It's all from
Very
the 13th century. Hard. Very old. Yan. So we will go there, guys. Lahat na yan. Going to Salt Tower. Oh, dyan ka pa. Oh, pa-picture ka dyan kay ano.
This is the army before.
Prisoners of the tower, fortress, crown, in the Salt Tower here. So we're going in. And you guys know, ang short lang ng kanilang mga doors to go to the next tower. But this is really very hard door. May mga ganito talaga sa kanila din noon. So it's really an old. In the year 1553, Jesus Christ in Latin. ano sa ano, kinover nila. Naka-engrave. So, pre-serve nila, they put the glass para hindi mawala. A wounded foot, a Catholic devotional symbol of the wounds of Christ. Ah, wow. Marami, guys. They have all these engraves. Henry Walpole, priest of the Society of Jesus in Latin. Walpole was captured on a secret mission to England in 1593. Wow. This is the 23rd. And this is the 24th. Maria is a sign of Catholic devotion. Maria. Iris left by Joseph Priest. This is the symbol of the Society of Jesus.
Yes.
Oh my God. Where's my husband now? Hinanata ko ng husband ko. Ayun na siya sa labas. Hindi ba ang laki? Sobrang laki. So, how many kings and their wives rode Arrow Tower ang nakatira dito, guys? So, madami sila. They have their own palaces. Oh, see? Pa, have you seen this? Look. In case of attack, assemble on wooden fighting platform. The Tower Aswar machine. Look at that.
It looks like a crossbow.
What is this?
Old version of crossbow.
Look. The old version of what?
Ah, this is the shell. So in case of
Emergency.
in case of doing some like fencing.
Yeah, the one that they are wearing, right?
Yeah.
At yan yung helmet nila. You can't take it. Oh, it's so heavy. Yeah.
Is there anything that don't
No,
touch
it's okay. Wear it. You feel it if it's
Too heavy. Looks like
yeah, that's too heavy. I know.
it look like
Please revolt. Pleasance revolt.
yes.
Area of what?
Ayan, ano ka talaga ni?
Ah, nakita mo na ko.
Anong chroma?
Oh, di mo na sila. Maggunit mo na sila.
Ha?
Yeah.
Mahawid na sila?
Yeah. Naman to sila yung mga gloves for them to hold. Dik. Ya ka pa picture ta ka. Smile.
Oh, look how big.
Go near.
No?
Go near.
Maybe we can.
Yeah, if you have the gloves. You're supposed to have the
Yeah,
gloves
yeah,
with
yeah.
you. I mean, is that their menu? Oh no. Oh, oh. Hi.
Sorry, sorry.
The Smartin Tower there. It's close. So we're going down now. Look at that. Picture is ako diha.